ऑल एक्झाम कट्टा या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती सगळ्यांचे सहर्ष स्वागत. आपण आज जे काही MPSCच्या पोस्ट आहेत त्याबद्दल स्पेसिफिक विषयाबद्दल डिटेलमध्ये सिलेबस पाहणार आहोत. चला तर मग बघूयात. लेक्चरर इन कॉमर्स इन गव्हर्नमेंट ज्युनियर कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट्स कॉमर्स अँड सायन्स महाराष्ट्र एज्युकेशन सोसायटी ग्रुप बी कॉलेजिएट ब्रांच. Standard degree, medium English, nature of paper is objective type, MCQ type questions will be there. Total marks are 150, total questions will be 150 and whatever the duration for that questions that will be 1.5 hour. म्हणजे 1.5 तासामध्ये तुम्हाला 150 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करायचे आहेत जे की 150 मार्काला आहेत. म्हणजे एक प्रश्न हा एका मार्काला आहे. लेट्स सी इन डिटेल सिलेबस. Accounting for 20 marks. In that, financial accounting, accounting as a financial information system, accounting standards in India and international accounting standards only outlines, final accounts, depreciation accounting, depreciation policies as per the accounting standard, accounts of the non-trading institution, partnership accounts, advanced problem of company account, amalgamation, absorption and construction of companies, valuation of shares and goodwill, consolidated books of holding company with one subsidiary only. Next is the cost accounting. Concept, nature and scope of the cost accounting, material, labor and overheads as elements of cost, job costing and contract costing, process costing, marginal costing including cost volume profit relationship, cost control and cost reduction, reconciliation of cost and financial accounts, budgetary control, flexible budget, standard costing and variance analysis, responsibility accounting, investment, profit and cost centers. For 20 questions these included for accounting. Now second part is the taxation. For that also 20 questions will be there. Let's see in detail. In that, first is income tax, definition, basis of charge, aggregation of income and set off carry forward of losses, income which do not form part of total income, tax management, tax planning, tax deduction at sources, advance payment of tax. Other taxes like introductory concept, sales tax, VAT, state excise, customs and excise duty, service tax. Auditing, concept, objective, principle and planning of audit including investigations, internal check system, vouching, valuation and verification of transactions, assessed and liabilities, audit of limited companies, appointment, removal, powers, duties, liabilities of company auditor. Auditor's report, special points in the audit of different organizations like clubs, hospitals, colleges, charitable institutes, social auditing, audit under the computerized environment. Next question, 20 questions are based on the business finance. In that, finance functions, nature, scope, objective of financial management, financial analysis as a diagnostic tool, management of the working capital and its components, forecasting of working capital needs, inventory, debtors, cash and credit management, investment decision, nature and scope of the capital budgeting decisions, consideration of the risk and uncertainty analysis of non-financial aspects, cost of the capital and its measurement, concept of the valuation of the firm's fixed income, securities and common stocks, dividend and retention policy, residual, theory dividend policy, other models, actual practices. Capital structure, leverages, significance of leverages, theories of capital structure with special reference to Moligini and Miller approach, planning the capital structure of a company, EBIT, EPS analysis, cash flow ability to service debt, capital structure ratios. Now, financial institutions, on that 15 questions will be there for 15 marks. Raising finance short term and long term, financial distress approaching BIFR, capital market, securities market, money market, concept, scope and organization, capital market, structure and role of capital market in India, types of the financial institutions in India, international financial institutions, role of SEBI, monetary and credit policy of Reserve Bank of India, NRI deposits, financial services, merchant banking, credit rating agencies. Now, other 20 questions for 20 marks on the organizational behavior. In that, Organization, concept, goal, types of goals, displacement, succession, expansion, and multiplication of the goals, types of the organizations, formal and informal, types of the structure, line and staff, functional and committee form of organization and their limitations, learning organizations, organization theories, classical, neoclassical systems, Chow's and the modern theory. Organizational behavior as a dynamic system, technical, social, and authority system, individual attributes affecting organizational behavior, ability, perception, learning, attitude, personality, status, moral, and productivity, leadership theories and styles, team leadership, management of the conflicts, TA, transactional analysis, life position. Managerial communication, concept and technique, multicultural organization, management of change, stage management, quality of work life, organizational effectiveness and control, quality assurance and certification, ISO and other agencies, concept of TQM, quality circles. Now next one is the legal regulatory framework for 20 marks and 20 questions. In that, different forms of the business organizations, individual proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company, joint sector organization, and cooperative society, their characteristics, merits and demerits, business combinations. Next one is the major provision of Law of Contract, Indian Sale of Goods Act, Negotiable Instruments Act, Consumers Protection Act, FEMA, Patent, Shops and Establishments Act. Now on marketing there will be the 20 questions on 20 marks. Introduction to marketing, scope, importance, concept, marketing mix, marketing segmentations, concept and basis, product policy, types of products, different decisions, introduction of the new product, elimination of the product from product line, product development, after sale service, product life cycle concept, pricing methods, factors affecting price of a product, channels of distribution, role type, selection of channels of distribution, promotions management, means of sales, promotion and advertising, media, merits and demerits, misleading advertisements, ethics in advertising, personal selling, salesman, functions, remuneration, promotion and evaluation. Next is international marketing, meaning, nature, need, environment, internal and external foreign market, entry strategy, product planning for foreign markets, branding, labeling and quality issues, pricing process, price quotations and payment terms, trade fairs and exhibitions, logistics decisions, selection of foreign sales agents, current export policy of India, trends, export procedure, documents, export finance, ECGS, GC's role, export assistance and incentives, export foreign agreements including WTO. Now remaining 50 questions for 15 marks will be on human resources development and industrial relationships. Human resources development, importance and characteristics, human resources planning, its limitations, problems of HRD in India, job description, job specifications, recruitment sources, internal and external, selection process, interviews, employment test and their applications, need of scientific selection policies, placement, transfer and promotion, training and development, types of training, limitations of test, principles of effective training, apprenticeship as a industrial training, performance appraisal, need, applications, parties involved, techniques and their limitations. Industrial relations, nature and scope, need for positive approach, industrial relations in public enterprises, downsizing, brain drain. Trade union movement in India, an overview, its problem, compulsory recognition of trade unions, impact of liberalization, privatization and globalization on trade union movements. Prevention and settlement of industrial disputes in India, collective bargaining, industrial democracy, workers' participation in management, problems and prospects, motivation and social security measures, government wage policy and legalization, human resources department role, functions and interrelationship with other departments in promotion of HRD and industrial relationship. हा व्हिडिओ मी तुमच्या सिलेबसचा जो व्हिडिओ आहे तुमच्या रेफरन्ससाठी पाठवत आहे, जुना सिलेबस आहे. माहिती आवडली असेल तर लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू सो मच. हॅलो एव्हरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग. ऑल एक्झाम कट्टा या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती तुमचे सगळ्यांचे सहर्ष स्वागत. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत जुना रेफरन्स सिलेबस फॉर द बॉटनी. लेट्स सी इन डिटेल. यात तुम्ही या चॅनलवरती नवीन असाल तर लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. Lecturer in Botany in Government Junior College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Maharashtra Education Service Group B, Collegiate Branch. Standard degree, medium English, nature of paper, objective type. Multiple choice questions will be there. Total marks 150, total questions 150 and duration is 1.5 hours. 1.5 तासामध्ये तुम्हाला 150 प्रश्न सॉल्व करायचे जे की 150 मार्काला आहेत, म्हणजेच एका क्वेश्चनला 1 मार्क्स. Let's see in detail how these marks will be bifurcated into sub points. Algae and fungi for the 20 marks. In that, algae occurrence, distribution and classification of that algae, thallus organization in algae, origin and evolution of sex in algae, types of life cycles in algae, important features and life history of Chlorophycia, Volvox, Odeogonium, Caleroid, Xanthophyte, Vaucheria, Fathophia, Ectocarpus, Sargassum, Rhodoscythia, Batrachophyrum. Economic importance of algae. Now fungi or fungi. General characters, classification, reproduction and economic importance of fungi, importance features.